What's up, guys? It has been 2 months since I've posted a video, and that's on me. I've been extremely busy. I just got back from vacation in New Brunswick, and I have let my lawn go. I mean, it's pretty ugly. You can't even see the putting green back there. It's bad. I have neglected it. I haven't had the time between life and work and developing my own grass seed blends. It's been hectic. So I'm gonna mow my lawn for the first time in like 4 years with my ride-on lawnmower, lawn tractor, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you how it looks after, but it's looking ugly, like ugly. Nothing nice about it. That's okay. Never worry about it. You can always fix it. The other thing, I have not fertilized this since early spring. So the color's not looking too good. It is like that lime green color. There's a few weeds. I did do a post-emergent application, which actually killed off most of them. So these guys have just popped up in the last few weeks. I'm not worried about that. I can spot spray them out. But I thought my subscribers deserved a video. So let's just start. Just to show you guys how neglected my lawn has been, basically all season because I've been so busy. That's the putting green. Somewhere in there. It looks bad. I told you, I'm not joking. I'm not trying to hide anything from you guys, but the lawn is looking bad. It needs some work, and I'm going to do that today. Now, although it's not the prettiest job I've done, it got it knocked down. It's actually looking better, but because it's been so long since I actually mowed, I'm gonna go in a diagonal direction as well, just to, break up some of the clumps of grass that have been left behind by the ride-on mower. And then once I do the second pass, it should be good, so I can fertilize this evening, which it does desperately need. Let's do the diagonal. So I still have to cut the putting green. I'm not going to show you that because I got to go over it like 5 times, use a leaf blower, clean it off, keep going over it. But I'll show you the results afterwards. I managed to get all the mowing done yesterday. Went over it twice. Putting green is done. Still needs obviously a lot of work. But like I said, I haven't had time. But I do now. So the work begins. I still got to fertilize. So fertilizing will be the next thing I got to do. I'm thinking use Grow Forage, but now it's supposed to rain for like the next 4 days. So I'm kind of thinking use a granular. I'll decide in a minute. Since it's been so long since I've fertilized, I'm just going to go with Grow Forage. So I'm going to go with the balance line and the straight line. Get some iron on it. Hopefully get a quick color response. That's my ultimate goal right now. So I'm just going to load this up, start walking, get it sprayed, and hope to see a response. Okay, it's pretty humid outside, but I've already sprayed the front lawn. But I decided that for the majority, like where the fairway used to be, the big part of the yard, leading up to the putting green, I'm going to actually throw in some Gain 28 as well. On the front lawn, I just use the balance line and straight line. But the Gain 28, it'll last a little bit longer, and it needs a good hit, so that's what I'm going to do. I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update, and yeah, go and spray that side yard. I've mixed it extremely heavy at the high end of what the rates call for, so I can only do one pass. I'm not going to go both ways, and I'm going to have to walk very quickly. So without further ado, let's get this yard fertilized. I actually have a little bit left in the backpack sprayer, so I'm just going to start going in the opposite direction until I run out. but I'll be doing wider passes and I'll kind of fan the fan. I'm just going to do a little walk around to show you the before fertilizer because I just finished. So I'll walk around, show you guys how the lawn's looking. Then later on tonight, this evening, I'll come back out and see if it looks any different.
Eight hours later.